If your iPhone is stuck on the software update complete screen and the continue button isn't responding, this video will show you what you can do to fix it. Even if you lock and unlock your iPhone and the screen still doesn't respond, a force restart may help get your iPhone working again. First, disconnect the charging cable if your iPhone is connected to one. Now, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, and immediately press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. Make sure you perform these steps quickly, otherwise the force restart may not take place. After your iPhone restarts, some users may see a continue option, while others may not. If you see the continue option, tap on it and follow the remaining steps to complete the setup. That's how you can fix an iPhone that's stuck on the software update complete screen. I hope this video helped. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to the channel and turned on the notification bell for more helpful videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.